Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Cooking with Xhulio, and today we have your favorite guest, Kiara. Hi Kiara.
Hi Xhulio. Hi
How's your day?
Amazing.
Are you enjoying the recipes?
Yes.
Are you ready for this next one?
I am so ready.
As you can see, there's plenty of ingredients here, so let's not lose too much time and start introducing everything.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, so just like any other recipe, the very first ingredient is salt. And we're gonna use a little bit in this one. For the next one, we're going to use a bunch of cucumbers and we're going to do something really fun with them, but I'm going to wait to show you. Alright?
I'm excited.
Together with cucumbers, we're going to use some coriander seeds. And we're also going to use a little bit of an onion. We're using a bunch of radishes and make sure they have the leaves attached because we're also going to be using the leaves. Who thought you'd use the leaves,
I know, right?
You usually just throw them away. But in this salad, we need them. We're going to be using some dill. Look how good this smells.
Oh, heaven.
And
heaven.
We're going to be using some fresh mint as well.
That's my favorite. You know why, exactly. I was just about to do that.
Alright.
Relax.
So we're going to use some olive oil from the mountains of Albania.
Oh, please. Lord.
We're going to use 1 garlic clove. Do you know what sumac is?
No, I've never heard of this.
Sumac is a Mediterranean herb. And the best way to put it is like dry lemon.
Really?
Yeah. It has a citrusy feel.
Where do you usually see this?
I mean, you're gonna see it everywhere on the Turkish cuisine. They use it for literally most of their recipes.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it's so hard to find in America. But go to your local Turkish store.
Oh, you got it in
You'll
Greek?
find it there.
In
Yeah,
Greek
it was a
store?
Greek pantry.
So cool.
Alright, so we're gonna be using some yogurt. And this is from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has the best Greek yogurt you can find. It's the tart one, just like the Albanian version. We're gonna use some red wine vinegar again. And for the last ingredient, together with the fresh mint, we're also gonna be using some dry mint. And you know why?
Why
This is the best way to bring out that mint flavor to the olive oil.
So basically you use the dried mint plus fresh mint. So you use both for the recipe.
So we use this for the olive oil and the fresh mint for the salad.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, let's start. Alright, so to begin this recipe, we're gonna add some olive oil in a pan. And just about 1 or 2 tablespoons should be enough. And as we're adding there, we're gonna let it warm up. And after that is warmed up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some fresh mint in a bowl and then add the olive oil right here. Alright, now as soon as the olive oil is hot, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna grab it and we're gonna pour it right on the dried mint. And look at this now.
Oh wow.
Do you smell that?
Oh, it's so good. Oh my god, it's seriously amazing.
I know, right?
It's so good.
We'll start with the fun part, the cucumbers. Remember how I told you there's something fun coming with them?
Yes.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut just the side of it, both sides. And as soon as that's cut, you know what's next?
What? You just smash them?
We're smashing cucumbers.
Just smash. Okay.
And then you can chop them a little bit with your hands.
It was good. That's fine.
Ready to do
I'm
that?
ready. I'm ready. Can I try it, please?
Alright, you're next.
Wait. That's why I worked out.
Alright, workout of the day, let's see.
Ouch! If you guys are angry at someone,
that's enough.
or if you just want to relieve your stress, smash a cucumber. That's it. That's the way to go.
So for the next ingredient, we're going to be cutting some onion, and I know you hate this,
He's
so
doing that.
I hope you don't start crying. We want the onion to be thin, but not too thin, alright?
Do you have those swim goggles that you told me about?
Have a what?
The swim goggles.
Oh! They might be in my car.
So extra, with
This other trick is you have to bite the spoon.
What?
And you will not cry.
No.
I swear. It blocks your crying canals.
Yeah, right.
I'm not joking.
You can mess with me.
I swear it's true. Google it.
I thought you told me just to put it on my eyes.
No. Trust me, just...
Wait, do you have another spoon so I can put it in both? Can't see the haters. Can't see them.
Alright, so after we're done chopping the onion, we're gonna put some sumac. Just be gentle with it, but not too much. And then let's put some of the vinegar. So what this is gonna do is that, as we did with the watermelon salad, we don't want the onion to be too distinct. We want it to be there, but we don't want your breath to stink after that, right?
Yeah.
So we just mix this all together, and we make sure we press it a little bit to release some of the juice. Alright, so next we're grabbing the radishes, and we're gonna remove the leaves a little bit, but save them because we're gonna use them.
Is onion your favorite veggie? You've been cooking everything with an onion, and I know
It's one of the main 5 aromas, so that's why everything has to have it. Just like garlic,
I like garlic,
but not onion.
We need this, right?
Yes. I told you in this recipe, it's one of those times where you need that. Alright, so now we're gonna get one of these and we're gonna cut very thin slices out of them. But first, make sure to remove both ends. So what I usually do is that I do that first, so that now it's stable and it doesn't move. And then you just go very thinly on the side. Alright, this is not worth cutting your fingers, so you can leave that out. And look how thin these are. It's like you can almost see through them.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you.
We're gonna use this in the salad.
Okay.
Would you like to chop it?
Yeah.
Don't go too thin about it, just like
chop it?
yeah, but make sure it's evenly, yeah. But give it more space. Yeah, like that. Alright, so now let's put all these leaves in the salad. And
It's tiny friend.
alright, now your favorite
Hey.
thing, some mint.
Wait,
Let's start
you
removing
show
the
me
leaves.
how to
Alright,
do
let's
it.
see if you're gonna do it right this time. Yay!
You have to chop them?
Yeah, so just put them here for now. Alright, so we're gonna chop that and we're gonna chop the dill. So for the dill, remove the stems just like the parsley. Perfect.
Now
And just cut them, yeah, like that. You see, you're learning now.
yeah, getting better.
Alright, that's perfect.
Do you do it?
Alright, it's enough, don't worry.
Well, I'm liking it.
Alright, stay here forever. Alright, so let's put the dill in the salad, and as I'm putting the dill, you can start with the mint. So just chop them generously, you don't have to go too thin. Yeah, that's good.
Why do we have to chop the mint? Can we just put the whole...
I mean, okay, so
leaf?
as you're chopping it, are you smelling it more?
Yeah, I can.
And when you smell it more, there's more flavor to it, so that's why we're chopping it. Alright, that should be good enough.
That's good.
Yeah. Let's put this in the bowl. So for the final one, we're just gonna do 1 garlic clove, like we said earlier, but we just have to cut it really, really fine. Because we don't want people to bite into the garlic.
Okay. Why should it be so fine?
I mean, we want to make it as fine as possible because we don't want people to actually taste that there's garlic, but we want the garlic flavor in it. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll notice that it actually brings more flavor into it. Alright, so now for the final piece, we're gonna put the onion that we marinated earlier.
Okay.
But just make sure to not grab all the vinegar, so you can just press on it. Alright, that should be enough. And now that the salad is ready, we're gonna start mixing it.
Okay.
So we can really just go like this. Let's add a little bit of olive oil just to make it easier to mix. Do you wanna get dirty?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. You go ahead.
Oh, I'm gonna smell like onion.
Your favorite ingredient. As you're mixing, I'm gonna add the salt
Do you think that's
that we forgot.
do it like the Salt Bay version? Yes, please. Yes, queen.
Alright, so let's put this aside for a second and we're gonna get a plate where we're gonna serve this dish. Alright, so now we're gonna serve the dish and we're gonna use some Greek yogurt. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the yogurt on the plate.
Ooh, that seems fun.
There we go.
Just dump it in.
Make another one on this side.
Where? Here?
Yeah. Perfect. Picasso.
Art, yeah, this is art, you guys.
Okay.
That's it. Or...
You gonna do a little bit more?
I think I messed up your whole.
Just go there.
Does it have to be round?
No, just splash it. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use the same spoon from the bowl and we just go like that.
Wow.
We go on from the other side,
That's cool.
and that's perfect. So now we're gonna grab the salad we just made and just put it around. Alright, that should be enough. And for the very final piece, we're gonna use the oil that we made at the beginning with the mint. So make sure you grab just a little bit and you go around. And that's how we make this very refreshing cucumber salad. What do you think? How does it smell?
It smells so good, I can't wait to try it.
Alright, ready to try this?
Yeah, I'm so ready.
Alright, let's go. You go first.
Love it. If I just want to make like a quick lunch after work, or
And it's
I
very
don't know,
healthy.
just like so healthy.
Isn't it?
I can taste
Like
the
the
mint, I can
cucumbers.
taste the cucumber, just like so fresh. It's like it screams summer.
Well,
Love
if you
it.
guys are looking for more recipes like this, I can't wait to see you on the next recipes and make sure to check them out. Kiara is a guest there as well.
Yep. See you guys.
See you.
Bye.